good wickets are, how they're going to play. I tend to do a lot of homework about what a good score is as well. So as I said, if a good score, an average score is 180, then you're generally going to be having to look higher than 180. So it might be a 190 or a 200 might be the winning score. And I find that when I use all that information and I do it in a timely fashion leading up to a tournament or a series, that I feel I'm very prepared, so when the pressure's on, I can just let my instincts take over.
Cricket 2.0, the data revolution. Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of cricket, a world that's changing right before our eyes. Today, it's about data, about numbers telling stories, revealing secrets that can change the course of a match, a series, even a player's career. From how a batsman sizes up a bowler to how teams strategize, data analytics is the silent force shaping modern cricket. So whether you're a seasoned cricket enthusiast or just starting to appreciate the nuances of this beautiful game, join me as we unpack how data analytics is transforming cricket from the ground up. Chapter 1. Decoding player performance. We often hear commentators talk about a batsman's strike rate or a bowler's average. These aren't just numbers, they are a window into a player's strengths and weaknesses. Data analytics goes deeper than ever before, dissecting each ball bowled, each run scored. Imagine knowing exactly where a batsman is most likely to hit a six, or the line and length a bowler is most effective with. Data analysis provides these insights, allowing coaches to tailor training programs and predict how a player might perform in specific conditions. This data-driven approach is revolutionizing how players train, prepare, and ultimately how they perform on the field. Chapter 2. The Masterminds, Data and Team Strategy. Cricket is a game of strategy, a constant chess match between bat and ball. Data analytics is rapidly becoming the most powerful tool in a captain's arsenal. Imagine knowing your opponent's strengths and weaknesses even before the match begins. Data analysts dissect hours of footage, crunching numbers to understand how a batsman fares against spin versus pace. This information is invaluable in formulating match-winning strategies. This is the future of cricket strategy, data-driven, dynamic and constantly evolving. Chapter 3. Scouting the stars of tomorrow. Remember when a young player would burst onto the scene seemingly out of nowhere? Those days are becoming increasingly rare. Data analytics is playing a crucial role in scouting and nurturing the next generation of cricketing superstars. Scouts now have access to vast databases of player performance from local leagues to international tournaments. This allows them to track a player's progress over time, identify hidden gems, and even predict future potential. Data analytics is helping teams make smarter decisions about player recruitment and building a team for the future. Chapter 4. Engaging the fans, the data-driven experience. Gone are the days when fans simply watch the game. Data analytics is transforming the fan experience, making it more immersive, engaging, and insightful than ever before. Fantasy sports platforms, a global phenomenon, are entirely driven by data. Data analytics isn't just about the game itself, it's about connecting with fans on a deeper level, making them feel like they're a part of the action. Chapter 5. Beyond the boundary. Data's impact on cricket business. Cricket is more than just a sport, it's a global business, and like any successful business, it thrives on data-driven decisions. From optimizing ticket sales to maximizing merchandise revenue, data analytics is changing how cricket operates. Data analysis provides insights, helping cricket boards and franchises make informed decisions about pricing, marketing, and fan engagement. Data analytics is helping cricket become more efficient, more profitable, and ultimately more sustainable in the long run. Chapter 6. The future is here, technology and the data revolution. Remember those close calls that leave everyone debating? Data analytics, combined with cutting-edge technology, is changing the way we officiate the game. making it fairer and more accurate. Hawkeye, the decision review system, ball tracking technology, these innovations rely heavily on data analysis to provide real-time insights and assist umpires in making those crucial decisions. Players are now equipped with sensors that track everything from their heart rate to their running speed. This data provides valuable insights into their fitness, fatigue levels, and even their technique, allowing for personalized training programs and injury prevention strategies. As technology continues to evolve, the role of data analytics in cricket will only become more significant, shaping the future of the game as we know it. Outro data, the game changer. Data analytics is no longer a futuristic concept, it's the driving force behind modern cricket. It's changing the way the game is played, experienced and understood, from enhancing player performance to engaging fans and making the sport more accessible. Data is revolutionizing cricket in ways we could only have imagined a few years ago. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into the world of cricket and beyond.